Welcome to our Halloween special. Are you ready to take your Halloween costume and spooky stories to the next level? Meet MagicMic, the ultimate Halloween voice changer for computer and mobile. It's a game changer with an incredible voice soundboard and spine-chilling high voice effects. First up is the VoiceBox. With many voices and accents, you can transform your voice into anything you want. But that's not all. It also comes with creepy voice effects. For example, with a Ghostface voice, you can sound just like a restless spirit in real time. The best part, MagicMic is compatible with Android, Windows, and Mac devices, ensuring a seamless and spooky experience across all your gadgets. So whether you're at a Halloween game or telling ghost stories with friends, MagicMic has got you covered. Getting MagicMic is as easy as a spell. Just visit our website or app store to download it today. This Halloween, don't just dress up. Transform your voice with MagicMic and become the life of the spooky party. Thank you for joining us on this Halloween journey with MagicMic. Remember, it's not just a voice changer, it's a screen changer. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to show your support by liking, commenting, and subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for what's next.